Paycheck Down. It's choreographed by John Rood. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance. It has a restart on wall 3 after the first 8 counts. It has a tag on the end of wall 6 and a tag with a step change on wall 8 after 28 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about where the restart happens as well as how to do both tags, and then we're going to go around and dance 9 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Paycheck Down. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a kick step point. We're going to kick our right foot low and forward, step our right next to our left, and point our left toe to the left side. We're now going to kick our left foot forward, step your left next to your right, and touch your right next to your left. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now facing 6 o'clock, and then you're going to do 2 walks forward, right, left. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your kick step point. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a mambo forward and back. So we're going to rock our right foot forward, recover back onto your left, step back with your right foot. We're now going to rock back with our left, recover onto our right, step forward with your left foot. We're now going to do a jazz box, crossing our right over our left. Step back with your left, step your right to the side, and then step your left foot forward, slightly crossing over your right. Let's try it with some counts. Mambo forward and back with that right foot. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to bump our hip to the right. So we're going to bump right, left, right, keeping your weight on your right foot. Now we're going to bump our hip to the left, bump left, right, left. And you want to keep that weight on the foot that you started that bump with. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now facing 3 o'clock. We're going to cross our right over our left and then step our left foot to the left side. So let's try that with some counts. We're bumping our hip to the right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a right sailor step, cross our right behind our left, step our left foot to the side, step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to do a left coaster step, step your left foot back, right together, left forward. Now we're going to do 2 half pivots. We're going to step forward with our right, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now facing 9 o'clock, and you're going to repeat that. Step forward with your right, half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot, returning to 3 o'clock, ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that. We would have just stepped our left foot to the left side. We're going to do it with some counts. You're going to do your sailor step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you don't like to turn, you can replace that with a rocking chair. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it all the way through, 1 time with steps, 1 time with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your kick step point. Kick step point, kick step touch, step half pivot, walk, walk. Right mambo, step left mambo, back, jazz box, step, bump your hip, right bump, left, left, step, quarter pivot, cross, side, right sailor, step, left, coaster, step, step, half pivot, step, half pivot. And then you're ready to start the next wall. Let's try it all the way through with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your kick step point. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart first. It's going to happen on wall 3 or your back facing wall, 6 o'clock wall. You're going to do the first 8 counts of the dance and then restart facing 12 o'clock. So let's dance that first 8 counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your kick step point, kick step point, kick step touch, step half pivot, walk, walk. At this point, you're going to restart the dance. This becomes wall 4. You will dance 32 to the front, 32 to the side, and then when we get to our 6 o'clock facing wall, or wall 6, you'll dance the full 32 counts, which will put you at 9 o'clock, and you're going to add on this tag. So we're going to do a rocking chair. So we're going to rock our right foot forward, recover, rock back, recover. And then you'll just start the dance over again from the top with your kick step, point, kick step, touch. So let's try that with some counts doing your rocking chair. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4. That's wall 7. You will dance wall 7 all the way through. And then wall 8 is the last wall that has anything extra. We're going to dance 28 counts regular. Then we're going to take the half pivots that are at the end of the dance, and we're going to slow them down and then add on the rocking chair. So let's dance up to the 28 counts, and then we'll practice slowing them down and adding on that rocking chair. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your kick step point, kick step point, kick step touch, step half pivot, walk, walk, right mambo, step left mambo, back, jazz, box, step, bump your hip, right, bump, left, left, step, quarter pivot, cross, side, sailor step, coaster step. Right here, instead of doing 2 regular half pivots, we're going to do half pivots that have holds. So we're going to step forward with our right, and you're going to hold. You're then going to make a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and you're going to hold. Then we're going to repeat that. You're going to step forward with your right. You're going to hold. You're going to make that half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock, and then you're going to hold. And we're going to add on that regular rocking chair. Rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. And then you'll dance the rest of all the walls regular with nothing extra. So let's try those slow half pivots with some counts into that rocking chair. And then we're going to go around and dance 9 walls of the dance. So you're stepping with that right. It's 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8, rock 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to start the dance over again. So now we're going to go all the way around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance through the restart and both tags and the one that follows it, just so you can practice all the transitions. Weight starting on your left foot. We're doing our kick step point, kick step point, kick step touch, step half pivot, walk, walk, right mambo, forward left mambo, back jazz box, bump your hip, right bump, left, step quarter pivot, cross side, sailor step, coaster step, step half pivot, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 counts. Kick step point, kick step touch, step half pivot, walk restart, kick step point, kick step touch, step half pivot, walk, walk, right mambo, forward left mambo, back jazz box, hip bumps, right, left, step quarter pivot, cross side, sailor step, coaster step, step half pivot, kicks 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This will be our tag wall. Kick step point, kick step touch, step half pivot, walk, right mambo, forward left mambo, back jazz box, bump your hip, right bump, left, step quarter pivot, cross side, sailor step, coaster step, step half pivot, rocking chair, rock forward, recover, rock back, kick step point, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 28 counts with your step change. Kick, step, point, kick, step, touch, step, half pivot, walk, walk. Mambo forward, mambo back, jazz box. Bump your hip, right, left, left, step, quarter pivot, cross, side, sailor step, coaster step, step, hold, half, hold, step, hold, half, hold, rocking chair forward and back, kick, step, point. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. After that last tag on wall 8, you'll just dance the walls full 32 counts all the way through until the end of the song. I hope this helps you learn Paycheck down. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.